Hidupkan power, naikkan. Atur mau pakai whip, atur speed 1, play. Mau naik speed 2, speed 3, speed 4, 5, speed 6, speed 7, speed 8, speed 9, speed 10. Oke.